and a half cups glutinous rice flour. Gradually add 1 cup of water. Mix to form a dough. Add purple food color. Using the palms of your hands, form dough into smooth small balls. Set aside. In a large pot over medium heat, bring to a simmer 5 cups of coconut milk. Now add the glutinous rice balls. Cook for about 3 minutes, or until they start to float on top. Now add cooked saba or bananas. Three cups of cooked sago. Now add 2 cups of coconut milk. To make it more extra special, add flavored condensed creamer. And to make it more milkier, add 1 can evaporated creamer. slurry, dissolved 3 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour in a 1 cup of water. Continue to cook until the sauce thickens to desired consistency. Pinch of salt to balance the taste. Let it simmer more over low heat. See you on next delightful recipes. Subscribe and follow Foodie Delight.